Oile toa! Samoa! Oile toa! Oile Samoa! Samoa! Oile toa! Oile Samoa! Samoa! Go! Boy, go! Go! Sauia! É fato foi só. Ela nem foi emunes. Então sambo. Eu vai sambo.
Brother, to have a quick moment. What was that like for you?
Awesome, man. Awesome feeling. Always love doing the haka. Feel proud of my culture and aroha ki ngā kia rātou, kua whetūrangi tia. Kia koutou aroha mai, kia ora.
Why was it important for you to be here today and perform the haka?
Oh man, not only just to show love to my culture, but also show love to everyone, you know. At the end of the day, people are people. We're all human beings. Yeah, love to all for love.
Ngā mihi, thank you very much. Ka pai.
We want to thank you all for coming out. Today, to remember those who have lost their lives. This event, this is not easy.
How do you feel seeing everyone perform the haka?
I'm just so humbled. I really am
Extra
humbled.
things that you can do when you need this space.
The haka is for everyone who has passed
What
on.
can you do?
And we are here mourning for them,
When you hear
for Aotearoa people to come together and do that for the victims and for our people.
when you're going
It's just
down to the
fantastic.
shops,
I'm humbled, really
in your
humbled.
own whānau, you
Thank you
need
very
to
much.
pour
Very
that
lovely to
out.
meet you.
You actually need to pour that
you.
out. We have this thing called the bystander effect. Quite often, it's very difficult for a lot of us to come out
and actually stand up for each other. But we need to start doing that. I don't know if you heard, after the incident happened, there were 2 young ladies down at Britomart who were stood out on the train and nobody stood up for them, literally after that event. Remember, racism doesn't just happen in the Muslim community. We know as Māori and Pacific Islanders and as Asians and as Indians, it's across the board. So if anything, when you leave today, yes, please continue to pray and remember the families. I can't even begin to imagine what it's like to lose a child or your mum, your dad, your brother, your friend. I can't imagine what that feels like. And I hope I never experience that. My children ever leave before me. But today, please, can I encourage you as you leave, call that out for what it is moving forward. Don't put up with it. Our students that are at school, you know, bullying is so rampant. It's so rampant in all our schools. We need to start standing up for each other, okay? Again, I want to thank you to everybody who came out, to our Muslim community, to our speakers, to our Samoan community, to our tangata whenua here. Thank you all for coming out tonight. We really appreciate it. And it's only fitting that we end with the national anthem. So if you would please join me, I would ask, is Candy and Static Girls, Chantal, Zanifa, Michelle, please, could you come with me to help lead everybody before we leave in the national anthem? And again, thank you all for coming out tonight. We really appreciate it. Really thankful that the weather held up. Tonight there is another vigil being held in Mangere. That is at, oh, I forgot, look, 7:30, sorry, the address, at Robertson Road at Centre Park. So if you would like to go there, then please, by all means, do go there. That starts at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Do we have to spend Testing 1, 2, 3. Come over, girls. Yes, thank you. Ihoa atua ona iwi matura tawhakaro mona me aroha noa kia hua ko te pai kia tautau atapai mana akitia mai ao te aloha God of nations at thy feet in the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices, we entreat. God, defend our free land. God, Pacific's triple star, from the shafts of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God, defend New Zealand. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā rā koutou katoa. God bless you, everybody.